Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. I'm your host, and today we have something special for all the parents out there.
SIMOLIO Kids Headphones are designed with one thing in mind: your child's safety and comfort.
Let's break down what makes these headphones stand out from the rest.
First off, let's talk about safety. These headphones come with a built-in volume limiter, ensuring that your child's ears are protected from excessive noise.
With 3 adjustable levels, you can customize the volume to suit your child's needs.
Whether they're in a quiet room or a noisy environment, SIMOLIO Kids Headphones have got you covered. Next up, let's talk about convenience. These headphones feature a built-in microphone, allowing your child to take calls and skip tracks without missing a beat. It's perfect for when they're on the go or attending online courses.
And check this out, these headphones are foldable and durable, making them easy to carry and store. Plus, the adjustable headband ensures a comfortable fit for children of all ages. But wait, there's more.
SIMOLIO Kids Headphones also come with a sharing jack, so your child can easily share their favorite music or movies with friends and family.
It's a great way to foster social interaction while enjoying their favorite content.
So, whether they're at school, on a road trip, or just chilling at home, SIMOLIO Kids Headphones are the perfect choice for your child.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy listening.